Hey guys, it's Tony. So also for those of you that do or do not know, I guess my main trading, I don't know what you would call it, right? But my main trading source or whatever is actually Forex. I've been trading for a while now. I've been trading for a couple of years. This is my account. You know, that's my balance is about 22K. These are the things that I have open. History. I mean, for just today, you can see the profit. I'm up $724. I trade Forex on a daily basis. So, I mean, you would, I guess, consider me a day trader on Forex. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that this is my main source of actual trading. I don't really trade stocks as like my main source. I do take what I learned from Forex and put it over to stocks. So I do think it's a lot easier trading stocks than it is Forex. I don't talk about Forex all that much on my channel, and I'm not planning to. This is basically just me showing you guys the other side of my trading, which is basically, you know, where I learned how to actually trade, and it was Forex, right? This was basically it. I'll see you guys later.